Tabletop music players still have a fan following and are in demand. If you're looking for the best among them, then this video is for you. At number 1, we have the iHome IPL23. Features premium speakers, a lightning charging dock, FM radio, and alarm clock in one compact device. The Handy Clock Radio not only charges lightning-capable iPhone and iPod devices, but also delivers stunning sound quality from specially designed Resin 8 speaker chambers. In addition to high-fidelity acoustics, IPL23 boasts a rich, featured alarm clock that offers a variety of ways to customize your daily routine. You can start and end your day with audio from the radio or your iPhone iPod, which includes everything from your favorite music to podcasts and audiobooks. A gradual wake and sleep feature gently raises and lowers volumes to make your transition to and from sleep seamless. The Sony CMT SPT100 Micro music system is at 4th with Bluetooth and NFC features and a modern design, powerful sound output, and a host of convenient features. It supports Bluetooth wireless streaming with tap-to-pair NFC technology and supports AAC and aptX codecs for superior audio quality. It's also equipped with a CD player and AM/FM radio so you can listen to a variety of sources. Connectivity options include a front USB input and rear aux input. Additional features include an LCD display with clock and bass boost with sound settings. For convenience, a wireless remote control is included. The integrated motorized slot-loaded CD player can even play MP3 files that have been recorded to CDR-RW discs. Take a look at the video description to know more about the products and for links to buy them. The second place Tabouli Model 1 Bluetooth AM/FM radio pairs new age technology with old school functionality. It has a simple interface, room-filling sound, and Bluetooth connectivity for Bluetooth-enabled devices. The sensitive AM/FM tuner handles station identification and pours music through the 3-inch full-range long-throw drivers in the speaker. It also allows you to stream audio wirelessly through the integrated Bluetooth receiver, which uses advanced A2DP technology for high-quality wireless audio. There is FHSS tech that intercepts and eliminates interference from other devices on the 2.4 GHz band. It even features an auxiliary input and stereo headphone output just in case you want to go old school with your peripherals. The best tabletop audio player is the Bose Wave Sound Touch Music System 4 in Espresso Black. This internet-connected device lets you stream audio from Pandora, Spotify, iTunes over its Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet connections, while Bluetooth and 3.5mm aux connectivity enables streaming from mobile devices. A built-in CD player and AM/FM tuner allow you to listen to physical media as well as your favorite radio stations. The waveguide speaker technology automatically performs audio adjustments for you so you spend less time tuning and more time listening. The Wave Sound Touch 4 is controlled either by the included credit card-style infrared remote with 6 programmable presets or by the Sound Touch app for PC, iOS, and Android. These are the best tabletop audio players in the market. Let us know that you liked the video by liking it, and to see more like this in the future, subscribe to our channel.